In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view traffic ticket online in Tennessee State. If you need to look up a traffic ticket in Tennessee, the most important thing to know is that tickets are usually handled through the specific county or city courts where the citation was issued. That means there is not always one single statewide portal for every ticket. So your first step is to identify the correct jurisdiction. Start by going to the Tennessee Traffic Ticket Records record search page. This is a helpful starting point for finding where to search, but in many cases, you'll still need to use the local court or traffic bureau website connected to the place where you got the ticket. Next, locate your jurisdiction. In other words, determine the county or city where the traffic citation was issued. This could be a county like Davidson County or Shelby County or a city court such as Knoxville. Getting this part right is essential because your ticket information will usually appear only in the local court system that processed it. Once you know the jurisdiction, visit the correct local court portal. For example, if your ticket was issued in Davidson County or Nashville, you may need to use the Nashville Traffic Violation Bureau to look up local ordinance citations. If the ticket was issued by a Tennessee state trooper in that area, you may instead need to use the Nashville Criminal Court Clerk portal. If your citation was issued in Shelby County or Memphis, go to the Shelby County Online Payment or Ticket portal. After that, search for your citation using the information requested on the site. Most portals will let you look up an active ticket using your citation or ticket number, your driver's license number, or your vehicle license plate number. If you have your paper ticket with you, that can make the process faster and more accurate. Be sure to enter the details carefully so the system can find the correct record. If your goal is broader than just one ticket and you want to review your statewide driving history, you can also request your official motor vehicle report online through Tennessee Driver Services. This is useful if you want to see all moving violations listed on your record, not just one local citation. Keep in mind that this option requires a Tennessee driver's license and includes a small fee of $5. As a final tip, if your ticket doesn't appear right away, double check that you're searching the correct county or city portal and that the citation has had enough time to be entered into the system. That's how to view your traffic ticket online in Tennessee.